Good evening, everyone. It's another power pack day. So we have built a couple of scenarios yesterday, and one of them was that if sellers were really active and aggressive at these top areas, uh, now the prices should come down to the lower levels, and that's what we have seen today. So prices opened near the high of yesterday's candle, and they came back down to the support area, a minor support area. So that shows that buyers are, the sellers are very aggressive at these areas. Now, what should we expect is that prices should rest a bit at this area. And why am I saying this? Because now we have the rising 20 period moving average, which is gradually catching up the prices. And the prices have reached to a level where we have the minor support. So a combination of this tells us that prices should take a pause here. Even in the intraday, if you see the price action, right, what has happened today, prices, looks that they have rested and they have trying to stabilize at these levels. So this is around 18,052 level, where from where the prices have turned back. Now we have moving averages which are slightly sloping upwards. So that is also another indication that tomorrow we might not see this much of aggression from the sellers, and those who are keep selling or shorting from the top might either book profit or might come out of the position. So now price action is telling us, or the charts, it's quite evident that the prices have retraced from the top, and now they have come down to a minor support level. Now breaking of this level would mean that that prices are gonna go down more than what we are expecting, or what bulls are expecting. So if it was the a little bit of retracement or a little bit of correction from the top, we might see that prices will probably consolidate at these levels and could retrace back. But breaching these levels would mean that prices might come down to these levels, which are around 17,800 level. So let's see what how sellers are active and how much they want prices to move down. So as of now, Nifty is looking bearish, and I'm expecting a slow day tomorrow, probably an inside day, or prices might come down, and will take a small dip here at this support area, and would move back up. So even if you are planning to go short tomorrow, I would suggest that be careful in that, and until and unless prices would show you a good shorting pattern, try to refrain yourself from doing so, because we've been seeing that prices keep moving to the downside from past 3 days. So there are chances that they might take rest for a day. Now, if we come down and see what is happening in Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty doesn't look in agreement with what Nifty is doing. So Bank Nifty looks quite strong. It is around more than 500 points up today. So yesterday we have seen that, you know, prices came down, but they took support, and, you know, they took a dip, but they closed above the support area, which was bullish. And today they have, you know, shown us that banking is not, you know, is not moving down. They are the strong in the pack. So today, if you just monitor the daily time frame, we can see that we have, you know, a 3 bar reversal pattern here, which is bullish, and this pattern suggests, you know, even higher prices tomorrow. So let's see what happens. If we just analyze the intraday chart, so, you know, prices have moved, straight up. So in such a type of price action, you know, either prices could gap up tomorrow and then come back down, probably, you know, consolidate and then move back up, or probably they open, you know, near the highs or somewhere here and consolidate and then might go up. If we would have the pattern in intraday where prices have gone up and then consolidate rest of the day, we would, you know, be more sure that prices would definitely go up, you know, tomorrow. However, they have consolidated throughout the day, and at the later part of the day, almost around, 2:30, they have started moving up, and, you know, they moved straight up. So that suggests that, you know, prices might gap up and then come down. So if you are even planning to go long in bank nifty, I would suggest that, you know, try it, after, you know, some time, uh, when, especially when the prices will give you a very strong buying pattern. Because what prices have done in intraday today, that suggests that prices might come, you know, a little bit to the lower side and then might move up. So all in all, we are getting the mixed signals. We have nifty, which is now at the support area, and expectation are that, you know, tomorrow might be a resting day. We have bank nifty on the other hand, which is, you know, showing very bullish patterns, and, you know, very bullish trend. Now let's see what USD INR is doing. So this was, you know, one resistance area, which, you know, after breaking out from where, you know, USD INR came down, and today it gapped down also. Now the average is also gradually catching up the prices, but no, this is not what we've been expecting, especially when the equity markets, you know, when the Nifty is, you know, coming down from its top. Because usually, you know, it has the inverse relation or the inverse correlation with the Nifty. So let's see, we are getting all sort of, you know, mixed signals here. We are getting, rupee, which is, you know, getting slightly stronger, giving, you know, strong signals. You know, it is getting strengthened. And on the other hand, we have Nifty, which is, you know, moved down from its top. So markets are giving all, you know, mixed signals. So let's see. This is a market which is, you know, more of stock specific. So when you choose a stock to go either long or short, right? So you should take the signal from the stock itself, because we have, you know, the broader markets which, you know, doesn't look very much in agreement with each other, especially the Nifty and Bank Nifty, which, you know, most of the times move together. So that's it in today's analysis. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. So that's it for now. Bye.